Welcome to our project La Maison du futur, the home of the future. In our model, we address the question of how a residential building can be completely self-sufficient and sustainable at the same time, and what technical solutions are necessary to realize a house of the future that has a perspective. Self-sufficiency is not a new concept. In the past, it mainly meant growing your own food or collecting wood for heating. Today, however, we are facing new challenges: climate crisis, scarcity of resources, and geopolitical uncertainties. Our answer to this is a home that supplies itself with electricity, heat and food, controlled by modern technology. The focus is on three areas: energy production, energy use, and plant cultivation. We rely primarily on photovoltaics to generate energy. A mobile solar system is installed on the roof of our model. It automatically aligns itself with the sun using a so-called shadow cross with 4 photoresistors. This technology is simple, reliable, and increases the electricity yield by up to 22% compared to static systems in our latitudes, which is particularly important when roof space is limited. The system is complemented by a wind turbine positioned close to the house. We use an innovative combination of a Darrieux and a Savonius wind turbine. Thanks to its vertical alignment, it is independent of the wind's direction and ready for use even at low wind speeds. A large proportion of the energy in a household is used for heating. We implement this in an energy-efficient way. Thermal insulation in the form of a passive house means that only a small amount of energy is required to achieve sufficient room temperatures. Our innovation relies on infrared radiators, which heat surfaces and people directly rather than the air. This only requires electricity, is cost-effective, and directly supports the passive house concept. The lighting is also innovative. Motion sensors and daylight dependency ensure that light is only activated when it is needed. In this way, innovations can be used to reduce energy requirements. Another part of the model is plant cultivation in the conservatory to enable self-sufficient food production. We decided to use vertical farming here. Plants are grown vertically and without soil. SMD LEDs are used for low-light winter days and to maintain certain lighting times. These specifically emit the light spectrum that plants need for photosynthesis. Our aim was to design a house that functions largely independently using intelligent, sustainable, and realistically implementable technologies, from electricity to cellular, to develop a house for the future. We thank you for your attention and looking forward to present the project live on May 27th.